Hi my little Channas, I'm back. Today is just an eyeshadow tutorial. I already had my face on, my brows on, and I just did a Valentine's Day eye look for you guys because Valentine's Day is right around the corner and why not? So this lip that I'm wearing, it's the Meet Matte Hues. I literally just found it in my thing. I hadn't worn it in a year, maybe longer than a year, and it's like one of those things where you find your favorite lipstick and you're like, oh my god, this used to be my favorite lipstick and it's back. So that's what I use. I'm pretty sure they still make these Meet Matte Hues liquid lipstick, and then the color is Devoted.
Want to see how I did this look? Keep watching.
Thanks. So if you want to see how I got this red vampy Valentine's Day look, just keep watching. And don't forget, hit subscribe, hit like, comment, go on my Instagram, double tap real quick. I say this every video. You should know this by now, but just in case you don't, it's at beautyby_Sha.
Is your mom in the background?
Yeah, she is, and her face looks crazy. Why did your face look like that? What are you doing?
She wants people out doing them. Oh, I forgot my inner corner highlight.
You want some?
Can you hit me with some?
Hey guys, this is my friend. She came over. She's slaying it. She forgot to put inner corner highlight in her eyes. Is that what you forgot to do?
Yeah.
So she's gonna borrow some.
Hit me with some.
You're good.